Have you ever wondered how to generate 33,000 per month on YouTube? That's right, with YouTube you can turn your videos into a personal cash machine, generating a passive income stream that can make your dreams a reality. And we're not talking about hundreds or thousands, but tens of thousands per month. But wait, you may be wondering what Faceless videos and why they hold such an incredible potential. Well my friends, let's dive right in and uncover all the secrets about YouTube Faceless videos. That's why here we're going to take a look at a prime example of a thriving channel. Score 90 is a channel that focuses on soccer and they have achieved a remarkable growth and success. Let's take a quick look at their stats on Social Blade to get an idea of their impressive journey. But before we jump into the specifics, let's talk about why YouTube is the ultimate platform for people who are seeking to do passive income. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube offers unparalleled reach and monetization potential. Faceless videos are a technique to thrive on YouTube while keeping the content creator privacy. Faceless videos offers you a ticket to success without showing your identity. Let's dive in. Now that we understand the power of Faceless videos, identifying profitable niche ideas which will bring your channel to success. But before I mention what the most profitable niche is, I want to mention you 2 tips that will make it easier for you to choose your niche. Market research is your secret weapon. Understanding your target audience and the demand for specific content is key. Take the time to explore popular trends, keywords, and search volumes within your niche. Look for gaps or untapped areas that you can fill with your YouTube videos. You will need to balance passion and audience demand. Find a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise, but also has a substantial interest in that content. The sweet spot lies between your passion and what people are looking to watch. The first profitable niche will be personal finance. This niche has a massive audience which is interested into how managing their money, investing, and achieving financial freedom. Faceless videos discussing budgeting tips, investment strategies, or analyzing financial news can be very profitable. On average, personal finance channels earns between $5 and $15 per 1,000 views. Example number 2 will be fitness and wellness. Fitness and wellness is a thriving niche which continues to grow on YouTube. While Faceless can share workout routines, healthy recipes, and motivational videos to educate and inspire your viewers. Fitness and wellness channels earn on average $2 to $10 per 1,000 views. Next up, we have documentaries. They have a dedicated and curious audience which are looking to inform themselves. With Faceless videos, you can dive into interesting topics and present them in a visually captivating video. Documentaries often have a ranging CPM from $5 to $15. And lastly, we have compilations. That's funny moments, epic fails. Compilations offer quick entertainment that keeps the viewer engaged. All you have to do is to collect captivating clips and curate them into compilations and let the content shine without revealing your face. Compilations typically have an average CPM between $2 and $10. Remember, these examples are just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless niches which can be profitable for Faceless videos. It is important to find a niche that aligns with your interests and that has a high audience demand and offers good earning potential. With dedication and high quality content, you can succeed in any niche that you choose. Now that you chose your niche, it is time for you to write your script. Writing a well-crafted script is the backbone of any successful video. It helps to organize your thoughts, deliver information effectively, and engage with your audience. And today I will show you a secret weapon that will make your script writing a lot easier and a lot quicker. Imagine spending hours brainstorming ideas for your top 5 laptops video. With ChatGPT can significantly speed up all the process. Instead of racking your brain up for hours, you can use the power of AI to generate ideas in a fraction of a second. Let's see how we can use ChatGPT in real time for our top 5 laptop video. So what I would use, I would simply ask ChatGPT what are the 5 best laptops. And here we go. By leveraging ChatGPT, we've quickly generated a solid list of 5 laptops. Now we can focus on description and crafting engaging scripts. ChatGPT can also assist us to write detailed descriptions for each laptop. Let's dive into that. Simply ask him, can you help me create captivating descriptions for each laptop? We want to highlight the unique features and what are worth considering. And there we go. Thanks to ChatGPT, we now have creative descriptions for each laptop. Now what I would do is clean up the text a bit and that's it. It doesn't only save us time, but it also ensures that our script is engaging and captivating. Now that we have the script, it is time for us to record the voiceover. So we will explore 2 options for recording voiceovers. And I will share with you guys valuable tips to record top-notch voiceovers. The first option will be to get a good quality microphone and record your script yourself. Investing in a good quality microphone can really make the difference. There are plenty of options available out there like USB microphones, professional grade XLR microphone. It is worth discovering plenty of options which are depending on your budget and requirements. Now if you don't want to record the voiceover yourself, you can always hire voiceover artists. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr provide tons of high quality voiceover artists. You can find skilled professionals which will charge you between $10 and $80 depending on how many words you use. This option is very useful if you don't have access to a good quality mic or if you prefer a specific tone of voice. No matter which option you use, here are some essential tips to record high quality voiceovers. Tip number 1 will be to find a quiet space. Consider using soundproofing materials to reduce audio. You could use, for example, your closes or any type of furniture. Tip number 2 will be to warm up your voice. Before recording, always warm up your voice. For example, by doing vocal exercises or speaking aloud to ensure clarity. Tip number 3 will be to maintain consistent volume and pacing. Speak clearly and at a consistent volume throughout the recording. Pay attention to pacing to ensure smooth flow of your voiceover. And tip number 4 will be to edit and polish. Once you have completed the recording, use any editing software to clean up all imperfections. You can also use it to remove background noise and enhance the overall quality of your voiceover. By following these tips, you can have a professional sounding voiceover that captivates your audience and complements your video content. Remember, either you record the voiceover yourself or you hire a professional, the voiceover plays a crucial role in delivering your message effectively. So make sure to take time to invest in quality equipment or to find a good voiceover artist. This will ensure your videos to look and sound professional. Editing is a very important step when it comes to making a faceless YouTube video. It allows you to refine your footage, add creative elements, and shape the overall narrative. We'll explore different editing software options, discuss editing needs for a faceless YouTube channel, and provide valuable tips to make your videos engaging and consistent. When it comes to the editing software, you will have different options. I personally recommend you use Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Both of these softwares allow you very extensive control over your edit. Editing a faceless YouTube video includes various tasks. Here are some 4 tips to make your visual content look a lot better. Number 1 will be to trim and organize your footage. Start by selecting the best moments of recorded footage and align them in logical order. Also remember to cut all the unnecessary parts to keep your video concise and focused. Number 2 will be to add text and graphics. Incorporate text overlays, lower thirds, graphic elements to provide extra information, highlight key points, or enhance visual storytelling. The third step will be to incorporate B-roll footage. B-roll footage such as relevant videos from external sources can add depth and context to your video. Use it strategically to enhance your storytelling. And number 4 will be to do the audio editing. Clean up the audio by removing the background noise, adjusting volume levels, and adding music or sound effects to your footage to create a dynamic and immersive experience. Remember, editing is where all your raw footage transforms to your final product. Choose the editing software that best suits your needs. Make sure to master each task towards making a final faceless video to create a stunning last impressions to the viewer. As you build your YouTube channel and start to create engaging content, it's natural to find a way to transform your channel into sustainable income. There are some different ways to monetize your YouTube channel. Let's take a look at the most common methods. Number 1, you have YouTube ads. YouTube ads are the small 15-second ads that are shown at the beginning of your video or even during between, and YouTube will pay you for every time a viewer sees one of those ads. In number 2, you have sponsorships. Collaborating with brands or companies can open opportunities for sponsorship. You can promote their product or service in your video, and you will get paid accordingly to the amount of views that you generate. The third way will be to do merchandise sales. Creating and selling your merchandise. It could be clothing or accessories. You can leverage your engaged audience. And in number 4, we have affiliate marketing. By partnering with affiliate programs, you can promote products or services in your videos, and you will therefore earn a commission on each sale that you make. To be eligible for monetization on YouTube, you need 4 requirements, which are 1,000 followers and 4,000 hours of watch time. First, we explore the potential of YouTube for generating passive income. From the right strategy and dedication, it is absolutely possible to make a living from your faceless YouTube channel. Reaching 30k per month may seem ambitious, but with the right niche, monetization methods, and audience engagement, it is within your reach. We have also discussed the importance of finding profitable niches, but also conducting market research and finding a balance between passion and revenue. Also, make sure to look up to the channels who have already made it, because they have already proven that creating faceless videos can be very profitable. Now that you have all this knowledge, it is time for you to take action. Don't be afraid to start your own YouTube channel. Whether you're showcasing DIY crafts, sharing cooking tutorials, or even unboxing the latest gadgets, there is an audience out there which is ready to connect with you. Remember, success on YouTube requires consistency and good video quality. It is not an overnight process, but with each video that you'll create, you'll gain valuable experience and you will get one step closer to your goal. Thank you once again for watching. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating, keep hustling. It was Alex. Ciao.